The European agricultural sector is facing a challenge in increasing production to feed a growing population with a reducing labor force and while reducing environmental impacts. The use of technologies can help farmers to optimize their decisions and increase agronomic, economic, and environmental efficiencies. UCD Lyons Farm is a large research farm with dairy cows, beef cows, sheep, horses, pigs, goats, and crops. Ireland grows very high-yielding crops due to our temperate climate with frequent rainfall. Current agricultural practices mean that Irish grain is close to carbon neutral. New tools and technologies have become widespread in cereal crop production in the past decade. However, challenges still exist regarding yield prediction, interoperability, and incorporating a farmer's know-how into digital systems. The Divine project enables farmers to make better use of their data, thereby improving yields and outputs. The pilot will test and validate the solutions produced by the project. The pilot will create a digital blueprint for the entire cereal growing cycle and aid yield predictions on a field-scale basis using on-site technologies while keeping farmers at the heart of their farming enterprises. Crop yield prediction and decision support is challenging. Divine addresses these problems by collecting new data, digitalizing existing data, modeling crop yield predictions, and a user-friendly dashboard, while involving stakeholders at all stages of the project. One such tool being created is to help farmers choose a cereal variety that is most appropriate for their location and their priorities using information from national variety evaluation trials and previous on-farm records. Once the crop is planted, farmers can then take photos of the plants in the field and using the Divine plant counting tool, receive accurate information of the density of their crop. This information will be used in the remainder of the project to produce yield predictions and estimations based upon crop management activities. Divine will continue to engage stakeholders to ensure the project's solutions provide real benefits to end users and that their views are central to the development and validation of the project's outputs.